shirka 26aad ee guddiga maamulada Djibouti iyo Ethiopia ayaa saaka wuxuu si rasmi uga bilaabmay madasha shirarka ee Qaryaandhoodaan.
His Excellency Mohamed Ahmed Sheikh, Interior Minister of the Republic of Djibouti, Her Excellency Almas Mokonnen, State Minister of Peace of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, distinguished guests. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the beautiful city of Jijia and to the peaceful Somali region. It's our honor to host you today here. To say Djibouti and Ethiopia are sister countries is to state the obvious. However, I think it's important to cherish and repeat what's obviously known by most of you here or all of you here. Ethiopia and Djibouti share not only a border, but they share blood. We have the same people on both sides. And especially the Somali region has literally the same kind of demographic mix like that of Djibouti, especially with regard to Somali-speaking populations. So we regard Djibouti not only as a neighbor country, enhances socio-political and economic integration and ties. The specific details will be discussed along the deliberations. However, we commit ourselves to the betterment of the relations between Ethiopia and Djibouti, and specifically the Somali region is here to play its role. In that regard, I would like to use this opportunity to thank the Republic of Djibouti and the President of Djibouti, particularly the President of Djibouti, His Excellency President Ismail Omar Guelleh, for the warm welcome he accorded us, for the warm welcome and brotherly welcome hospitality he has shown us the last time we visited Djibouti. We hope the meeting we are going to have today is going to lead to concrete outcomes in terms of strengthening security along the border, enhancing economic activities, and ensuring that there is a smooth movement of people. And in that regard, I think the previous meetings also have been very useful. Hopefully this will also follow that. With this, I will like to conclude my remarks and wish for a very fruitful and productive meeting today. Thank you all. Welcome again. Rahman Rahim. wasiirka nagala jooga Jamhuuriyadda Djibouti wasiir Muumin marwo Almaz oo iyadna wasiir dawlaha wasaaradda nabadgelyada ee heer federaal dalka Ethiopia mas'uuliyiinta kale ee meesha joogta ee xukuumadda iyo ka deegaanka iyo dalkaba ka socda shirkan oo mid sanad la waxaan rajeynayaa inuu noqon doono mid ay ka soo bixi doonaan waxyaalo fara badan meel dhala waxaa laga hadli doonaa sida aad la socotaan xiriirka labada dal gaar ahaan xuduudda agagaarkeeda iyadoo la eegayo dhinaca nabadgelyada isdhexgalka bulshada dhinaca dhaqaalaha la dagaalanka waxyaalaha ay ka mid yihiin ka ganacsiga sharci darrada iyo weliba human trafficking waxyaalaha dadka ka ganacsada dadka oo kale gudbinta arrimahaas oo dhan shir wax ka qabanaya oo la qabto sanad weeyaan sadowtihiin dalka Djibouti iyo deegaanka Soomaalidu waxay isu yihiin halkan ku celin mayno waxa kaliya oo jecelahay inaan uga faa'iideysto fursadan inaan mahadnaq balaaran magaca deegaanka Soomaalida aan ugu jeediyo madaxweynaha Djibouti wadana Ismail Omar Guelleh oo safarkii dhaweeytay ee aan ku tagnay Djibouti runtii si walaalnimo oo aad iyo si looga bartay nagu soo dhaweeyay annaga iyo wufuud fara badan oo ka timid dacwada dunida oo Soomaaliya ahayd nagu soo dhaweeyay jazaaka allah ayaan leenahay shirkan waxaan u rajeynaynaa inuu noqdo mid guul ku dhammaada waad mahadsantihiin asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullahi wabarakaatu
Regional State, Her Excellency Almas Makanen, State Minister of Peace, His Excellency Aden Farah, Vice President of Somali Region, distinguished guests, all protocol observed, good morning. I'm glad to share the opening ceremony of the 26th meeting of the Trans-Border Committee in this wonderful city of Jigjiga, capital of Somali region state. First and foremost, I would like to thank our brother from Ethiopia for the warm welcome and the good care we have been given since our arrival in Jigjiga. Ladies and gentlemen, this annual meeting is to strengthen and consolidate the brotherhood of our two nations and the circular relationship between our peoples. We are all aware that the link goes far beyond the commercial and economic interest. The link is deep and it's based on relationship built centuries ago. Today, if I'm here with you, is to show everyone that this committee is not only useful, but very important to strengthen and consolidate ties between our nations. But it is also a working committee according to the expectation of our people, our respective population. If we sit together and fraternize, it's a good thing, but if we work harder on what we have been appointed for, is better. Each and every one of you has a role, a responsibility, and represent an institution to whom he or she are accountable to. Before coming here, I read some of the meeting minutes of the previous session and find out some issues keep coming back again and again. We commend the government of Ethiopia for hosting this event and thank them and ask for more support to attenuate the impact of influx of migrants in our country, if possible. Mesdames et messieurs, comme vous le savez, la paix et la sécurité sont fondamentalement liées à la bonne gouvernance des frontières et à la question du développement durable des zones frontières. Car ces zones constituent un terreau fertile pour les groupes de criminels qui opèrent à l'ombre de nos frontières et dont les activités illicites menacent la sécurité de nos États et perturbent la quiétude de nos concitoyens. Il est important de ce fait d'unir nos efforts et de mutualiser nos moyens pour lutter efficacement contre ces groupes de criminels et de mettre fin aux activités illégitimes comme l'extrémisme violent, la traite des personnes, la contrebande, le trafic de drogue ou le terrorisme. De ce fait, une gestion efficace et coordonnée alliant les capacités conjointes des autorités frontalières est indispensable pour une meilleure circulation des biens et des personnes entre nos deux pays et une transformation des zones frontalières en une large bande dynamique prospère, lieu d'échange, de rencontres et de partage. Avant de clore mes propos, j'adresse mes vifs remerciements à l'ensemble du comité conjoint pour leurs efforts et les encourage à poursuivre davantage les efforts et la détermination avec abnégation. Inta aanan hadalka xidhin waxaan jeclaan lahaa inaan horta dowlad goboleedka Soomaaliyeed arjiyar u dirto ajrigaas wuxuu yahay inay wax nagala qabtaan ciyaalka dariiqyada jooga ee magaalada Djibouti madaxweyne Mustafana si gaar ah uga sheekaysanay waxaan rajaynayaa inuu arrinkaasi murihiisa dhalin doono waa maalintii igu horeysay meel caynkan oo kale ah soo joogsado af Soomaali ku qodbadeeyo waana waa farxad gaar ah weyn I wish to all you a happy new year, a year of success and prosperity to all of you, and wish full success to the joint committee. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much.